Here's a step-by-step guide for growing and caring for snake plant Sansevieria. Natural life. Here's a step-by-step guide for growing and caring for snake plants Sansevieria. 1. Choosing the right pot. Pot material. Use a well-draining pot, ideally made of terracotta, which allows the soil to dry out between watering. Drainage. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating, as snake plants are prone to root rot. 2. Selecting the soil. Use a well-draining potting mix, preferably a cactus or succulent mix. You can also mix regular potting soil with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Three. Planting. Depth. Plant the snake plant so that the base of the leaves is just above the soil line. Spacing. If planting multiple snake plants in one pot, give each plant spaced to avoid overcrowding. Four. Watering. Watering frequency. Water sparingly. Wait until the top to 2-3 inches of the soil are dry before watering again. In winter, reduce watering further. Method. Water the soil directly, avoiding getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to rot. One of the biggest causes of failure with snake plants is overwatering, so always ensure the soil is dry before adding more water.